Hello everyone, welcome to Fluentlingua. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic, and that is time clauses and conditional clauses for future time. Let me give you an example. In time clauses we have conjunctions like when, after, before, till, until, as soon as. So with these conjunctions, when we make a clause means subject and verb. So at that time, even if they refer to future time, we use the simple present tense. For example, when he comes, we will start our work. So in this sentence, when he comes is in the simple present tense. We don't say when he will come. That's not possible in English. So when he comes, we will start our work. Another example with after. You can go home after you finish your work. With before, you cannot go home before you finish your work. So before you finished, we don't say before you will finish, right? Another example with as soon as he comes, we will start our work. With till, wait here till he returns. Wait here until he returns. So with till and until also we use a simple present tense while you are referring to future time. Similarly, in conditional clauses, if he works hard, he will get success. So, if he works, that's the simple present tense. The result part can have will. If he works hard, he will get success. That's okay. But if he works hard, no, if he will work hard. Similarly, unless he works hard, he will not get success. So, unless he works, again the simple present tense. Another example, as long as he follows the rules, we will keep him in the company. So as long as he follows the rules. Now the meaning is about the future time, but still we use the simple present tense. Another phrase we can use is in case. For example, take your umbrella with you in case it rains. So we are referring to actually future time about raining in the future, but still we use the simple present tense. So I hope it is clear. In time clauses and conditional clauses referring to future time, we use the simple present tense. We do not use will. Thank you very much. I am Dharmendra Sheth, founder Fluentlingua, Surat.